2 months and about to the day time I ordered it. Finally got my Polarna e-bike. After it's traveled all the way from China, it doesn't look in too bad a shape. This is the 4th e-bike that I have received from the infamous FedEx, and this one's probably in better shape box-wise than the other 3. But let's take it apart and see what we got inside. It's like about 80% is what's showing as far as the charge. You need to check to make sure that that 80 is the real 80. Okay, guess I'm at the point now where I will need to charge my battery fully before I really can check all my nuts and bolts to make sure that everything is securely attached. Funder's a little bit off, nothing real bad, nothing that I should be able to adjust, just needs some tightening right there. Don't see any damage so far. Got one little nut cover back on the rear axle, has a little pressure ding in it, but you know that's what they're on there for, protect the nut. No big deal. Only a critical eye would catch that. so far everything's looking as I expected. You know, for what you pay for these bikes, you have to put everything in perspective. And it appears to me that everything looks like it's in good order. The bike looks like it's sturdy. Looks like it's going to be a good bike. Just have to get out and run it through and make sure everything works properly. But so far, I'm liking what I'm seeing. I've had a electric XP. This will be my second personal bike. I bought two for my wife. Bought her a standard XP and ended up selling it and getting her a step through. So I wanted something with a little more punch to it, and I liked the electronics I was reading about this one, the controller and the versatility of the controller. That was one reason I purchased it. Extra power, the full suspension. I've got 8 gears on it, which is nice. So I'll take it out and I'll test ride it and everything before I start putting my mods on it. I'm going to change out the seat, probably the seat post, and make a number of changes on it, and I will be getting back later. As I go along the way, making my modifications, I'll be doing videos on it and everything. Cut the light off. But yeah, I'm liking what I'm seeing so far. Based on the electric that I had, I can't say that this has any less or any more quality. It looks to be about the same quality bike. I don't see much difference in quality. I like this rear rack. This is really a strong rack. It's no doubt that this is much stronger than my first standard XP. I know that the XP has gone up and they put a heavier rack, but this one is very heavy, very solid, hooked well to the chassis. This also has a brake light on it, which I like. Yeah, I think I'm going to like this. Enjoy making some videos on it, and I'll keep y'all up to date. First impression after unboxing is everything's okay. They packed the bike well. It actually wasn't as hard as I thought it was going to be to unwrap the thing. Now, it was wrapped, but then again, that's a trade-off. You want it wrapped, even if it takes a little longer to get it apart. But I can't say that it was that much more difficult to unwrap than the XP, although I think the wrapping was more solid than the XP. That injected foam wrapping really snugs it in the cardboard box. I think it's a good way of doing it. Like I say, it took this right at 2 months to get to me from the time that I ordered it. It came in the last of July, probably about the 27th of July. Took it about before they started shipping it out on a Thursday, I think it was Thursday when they shipped it out. So it took it a week to get to me. So it took 1 week to get from California to North Carolina. Been in North Carolina now for 3 days, going on 4. So it didn't take it that long to get it over here. It just took it to get it from local delivery to here. So anyway, I've got it. A-okay.